dramatically change the speed of EDM machining. Introducing the machining of copper graphite for cemented carbide. Cemented carbide is used for molds that require strength due to its toughness and resistance to wear. Due to the hardness, this material is often machined by EDM. Toyo Tanso's copper graphite is a material that can machine cemented carbide and further reduce machining time. In this video, we will introduce the speed while performing actual machining with copper graphite. The workpiece is on the left and the electrode is on the right. Next are the machining conditions. Now let's start machining. First, the workpiece and electrode are submerged in oil. Machining has started. The workpiece is being machined under the approach conditions. A lot of machining dust is coming out, which shows that efficient machining is being done. Machining under the maximum condition. About 10 minutes have elapsed and the depth is about 2 millimeters. Machining is progressing. The speed does not slow down even as the machining depth increases. About 30 minutes have passed, and the depth is about 8 millimeters. About 50 minutes have passed, and the depth is about 10 millimeters. Rough machining is completed. This is a completed rough machined part. No arcing occurred and corners were machined cleanly. Machining results. Let's take a look at the machining graph. The red line is an image of machining speed of copper tungsten electrode. The slope of the graph shows that machining is progressing rapidly. Besides machining speed, copper graphite for cemented carbide also contributes to man-hour and cost reduction. For details, please visit our website from the overview section. Thank you for watching. Please check out our other videos.